Good evening, and welcome to today's technology update. We're diving into the latest buzz around the Galaxy S25 series, a smartphone lineup that has captured widespread attention and praise. Just 3 months after its release, the Galaxy S25 series stands out with its powerful camera system, robust performance, and particularly its upgraded AI capabilities, including impressive support for the Vietnamese language. Samsung has been a pioneer in integrating artificial intelligence into smartphones, first introducing the Galaxy AI platform alongside the Galaxy S24 series in early 2024. Now, with the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung has taken things a step further, enhancing natural language processing abilities, deepening support for Vietnamese, and adding flexible interaction features designed for everyday life. One of the most remarkable features of the Galaxy AI is its fluent understanding of Vietnamese. Take Pham Hoang, a technology specialist, who's been particularly impressed by the AI's ability to perform complex, multi-step tasks using just one Vietnamese command. For example, he can ask the AI to find nearby restaurants and send the address to a friend via message, check his favorite sports team's schedule and add it directly to his calendar, or summarize video content and save notes all in fluent Vietnamese. Beyond these, the Galaxy S25 offers virtual assistant Gemini, intelligent photo search, text drafting, and real-time translation of calls and messages, all fully supporting Vietnamese language users. Pham Hoang regards Samsung's efforts here as a clear sign of prioritizing local users' needs. Meanwhile, Ngoc Nhi, a communications professional, has found the circle to search feature particularly helpful. This tool lets her quickly highlight any object or text on the screen to search for relevant information. Perfect for her work tracking new trends. Whether it's a unique product or a piece of text, she can instantly research it without leaving her current app. In April, the Galaxy S25 series received a major update with visual AI integrated into the Gemini Live Assistant, enabling AI to observe the real world through the phone's camera in real time. Ngoc Nhi, a cooking enthusiast, uses this feature to get recipe suggestions based on ingredients she has at hand. On the other hand, Pham Hoang leverages Gemini Live for style advice, professional research, and cultural exploration during travels. Both Pham Hoang and Ngoc Nhi admit that they were initially skeptical about how useful AI on a smartphone could be. However, after daily use of the Galaxy S25 series, the AI features have become an indispensable part of their routine. Let's talk about cameras, a vital feature for many users. With a passion for photography, Pham Hoang was drawn to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's advanced camera system. The device boasts a quad camera setup, including a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and two telephoto lenses, offering 3x and 5x optical zoom, with digital zoom up to 100x. This setup provides exceptional versatility across diverse shooting scenarios. Pham Hoang shares, "I used to carry a camera everywhere I traveled, but now the Galaxy S25 Ultra meets almost all my photography needs." One standout feature is the object eraser, which allows users to remove unwanted objects from photos directly on the phone, a task that previously required a computer. Paired with the S Pen stylus, the Galaxy S25 Ultra lets users precisely edit photos with ease and accuracy. Ngoc Nhi, on the other hand, values the device's entertainment capabilities. She often uses the Ultra model during concerts and highlights its optical zoom and audio eraser feature. This unique function filters out crowd noise, isolating clearer audio from performances, enhancing her concert recording experience. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 series is the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, custom designed by Qualcomm specifically for Samsung devices. This chip significantly boosts overall performance, with CPU improvements exceeding 45%, GPU power up by 40%, and AI processing enhanced by 45%. A critical factor for modern AI-driven applications. Pham Hoang frequently multitasks between photo editing, web browsing, and note-taking, praising the phone's smooth operation. Everything runs seamlessly, even when I'm gaming or rapidly switching between apps, he notes. Nok Nhi, who uses less resource-heavy apps, focuses more on battery life. Thanks to a large 5,000 mAh battery paired with efficient power management from the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the Galaxy S25 Ultra comfortably lasts all day. I recorded videos and took photos throughout a concert without needing a power bank. Something I never experienced before, she shares. After 3 months of using the Galaxy S25 series, both users have made it an essential part of their daily lives. Despite having different needs and usage styles, Pham Hoang and Nok Nhi agree that the upgraded Galaxy AI, improved camera system, and reliable performance have transformed how they interact with their smartphones. That wraps up our tech segment on the Galaxy S25 series. A device clearly designed to blend cutting-edge AI, impressive imaging, and powerful hardware into a seamless user experience. We look forward to seeing how Samsung continues to innovate in this space. Thank you for tuning in.